A bathroom is but a place to rest and start the day. For that reason, a wardrobe is an important piece of furniture to have in the bathroom. Besides being a home for all your clothes, there are other accessories that also need to be organized so they won't clutter your bathroom. Find out how you can keep your wardrobe nice and tidy with our organizing and storage solution. Multi-use hanger that is also a space saver. After you're finished arranging clothes, it's time to arrange your accessories. Multi-use hangers such as Complement is perfect to store your collection of scarves, ties, and belts. With a space to store up to 16 accessories, these hangers will save space in your wardrobe and give you a peace of mind because now you can find your favorite tie in seconds. Add useful extras. Create a dressing room and makeup station without taking up any extra floor space. Fix a mirror to the wall, display jewelry on a pin board, and stash hair and makeup products in a hanging organizer. Put all the accessories in one place. Watches, sunglasses, jewelries, they need a home too. Give a place for them with a pull-out tray with insert. For each type of accessory, there is a compartment of the right size. Just pull out the tray to pick the accessories you want to wear. Protect your favorite footwear. No space to put your shoes? No problem. Arrange your favorite footwear in the wardrobe with our SKUBB shoe boxes. They protect your shoes from dust and sunlight, and the mesh allows air to circulate around your shoes and make it easy to see which pair you have inside. Pick your outfit for the week. Sometimes, getting ready in the morning takes more time because you can't find the shirt you want. With a clothes rail inside your wardrobe, you can hang your clothes to wear the whole week. Your morning routine will flow smoother because you can pick what you want to wear in a breeze. Tailor your storage. Add insert to divide up the space inside the storage unit and make the most of every inch. Start by dividing your clothes and accessories into categories. Then use insert to customize your storage unit for each type of item. Add written labels or stickers so you can find the everyday essentials quickly. Save clothes for the next season. When the rainy season is over, you don't need to hang your warm clothes in the wardrobe anymore. Free up space by storing previous season's clothes in the storage case that can be stored inside the wardrobe or under the bed. It has a handle on each side so you can easily pull it out when needed. Plus, the ventilation nets in the corners will make your stored clothes stay fresh longer. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give your comment in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.